You have your crawl space encapsulated and now it's out of sight and out of mind. Maybe you wonder, do I need to do anything to maintain my crawl space? Stay tuned to find out how to maintain your crawl space after encapsulation. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales at Acculevel. In this video, I'll explain what encapsulation is, what can affect your encapsulated crawl space, and how to maintain your crawl space after it's been encapsulated. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. Encapsulation is a process that just completely seals up your crawl space to make it 100% a controlled atmosphere underneath your home. What can affect encapsulation? So there's a few different things that can affect encapsulation. Number one, insects chewing through the material, so always making sure you have your pest control. Water lines from up top, whether it's sewer lines, water lines, anything like that that drips on top of the encapsulation can break down the seams and the seals of that encapsulation. Those are a couple things that we want to watch that can affect your encapsulation long term. So what you can do off the bat is just a simple inspection. Get down in that crawl space. Now that it's been encapsulated, it's very nice and clean, so you don't have to worry about getting on coveralls and coming out all muddy. But just get down there, do a quick crawl, go around the exterior of that, check and make sure the seals are good, make sure no tape's pulling off, make sure that there's no puddling on top of the encapsulation where maybe a pipe could have caused a leak that's sitting on that encap. Also, inspecting for any insect holes, anything like that. And we always encourage people, make sure that you're up on keeping your rodent control and your insect inspections done. And then also with encapsulation, you're gonna have a sump pump down there, making sure that it controls the water that flows underneath that encapsulation or from your foundation walls. So take a moment, pop the lid off of that, check that sump pump, make sure it's working properly and getting that water out of your crawl space. And then with Acculevel, we also offer a home inspection program where we can come out for $149 a year and double check all these things for you so that you don't have to take the time to jump into that crawl space and crawl around in it. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, Acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about your encapsulated crawl space? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Be sure to hit that like button, ring that bell, and thank you so much for watching.